Alright. So, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat, no? First of all. And yeah. So, this will be our first vlog of the year and also our first set of strings. No? So, magkakaroon tayo ng string review of Yargar Strings Young Talent. So, last year, nakapag-review tayo na I think 4 or 5 strings and now we're gonna start the year with this one. No? So, I was thinking kasi since last year na parang puro high-end yung mga strings na nire-review natin. Of course, maganda rin gumamit ng mga super high-end strings, di ba? Masarap talaga siya sa pakinggan, maganda siya yung response niya. Now, I'm trying to find the balance between super high-end and, something a little bit more affordable. So, something attainable din sa mga not professionals, no? So, mga hobbyists, no? Na hindi masakit sa loob na bumili ng mga strings na ganito. So, this is one of those strings na medyo mababa yung price point but still we'll see, no? Actually, first time ko parang din naman siyang gagamitin or testingin as this is quite new. I think last 2 or a year ago lang siya lumabas. Bago lang to sa market, especially here in the Philippines, no? So yan, i-unbox natin, i-restring ko yung main violin ko, and then I will do a test, no, kung paano ba ang magiging sound ng Yargar Young Talent. Okay, o nga pala, nakuha natin to kay Shanyun Music. So shout out kay Shanyun. She also gave us a free rosin. Yan. Salamat. So I might do a different review on this rosin. This is Vision naman, Vision rosin. So Tomastic Vision rosin. Okay. So yun nga, pag-usapan muna natin din bago ko siya i-unbox. Kasi syempre, high-end strings are for solo performances, ganyan. Sa mga orchestras, ginagamit din siya. Pero yung pang araw-araw, syempre hindi naman pwedeng whole year round, no? Yung strings mo, mga mamahalin. Tapos wala naman masyadong events, wala masyadong tugtog. So, you have to also plan that out, no? So, pagiging practical lang ba? So, this is priced at around 2,300, no? So, less than 3,000 pesos. So, sa price point na to, I don't expect that much, pero we will see. I am coming from Pirastro Violino. So, that was around 2,600 pesos ang isang set. So, sub 3,000 din. So, we could actually compare them, no? Kasi, Yargar Young Talent is still, kahit medyo mas mura siya, it's actually made of synthetic core, no? So, hindi siya steel core strings. Yan. So, open na natin to para makita natin yung itsura ng bawat string. So, ayan siya sa loob. Violin 4/4. So, full size na violin kasi yung lalagyan natin. So, E has a removable ball and tin-plated steel core. So, normal naman yun, no? So, yung core ng, well, technically kasi yung E string, wala naman siya talagang winding, no? So, the A has a synthetic core. Also, the D, no? Ayan, nakalagay synthetic and G strings. Ayan. So, papalitan ko muna yung strings and then we'll do some first impressions. So, we will see how it would break in, kung ano yung mga giging sound niya. So, ngayon ako nagpapalit kasi surprisingly, nag-survive yung strings ko ng buong taon. I mean, until the end of the year. Basta nagpalit ako sa around September, October. So, ngayon, January, buhay pa siya, pero ramdam ko na gusto niya na magpapalit. So, nahihirapan na akong itono yung mga strings. Ayan na. So, ayan. So, kailangan natin siya palitan. So, I'll see you later. Papalitan ko to on a live stream para makita ng mga audiences natin. And mamaya, after, we will do a quick first impressions review on this set of strings. Alright, so nagbabalik na tayo. No, we just finished putting in the strings, no, yung Yargar, Young Talent. And yan, overall, may bibigay na akong first impressions with it, okay? So, we broke it in for around 1 hour nung nag-live tayo, ano? So, first impression ko, very metallic sounding siya, no, nung pagkalagay. Hindi nagsisettle na, okay na yung feel niya. So, let's talk about feel muna. So, feel on the hand, it's a little bit mataas yung action niya. No? So, medyo matigas siya. It's a hard string to press. No? If you like that feel, some people like it din kasi, diba? So, ako personally, I like the responsiveness of it, no? Pero, I feel it's a little bit too hard for me, no? Compared to the other strings that I've been using. So, yung feel naman niya, medyo hindi ganun ka-smooth yung coating. I don't know kung ano ba yun, sa stock ba yun or ganun talaga siya, no? Medyo hindi ganun kabilis mag-glide yung fingers ko on it. So, I have this feeling na medyo ano siya, magaspang, rough ng konti. So, ito yung sound niya. Yeah. So, tuning stability wise hanggang ngayon, na out of tune pa rin siya. So, normal naman yan, no? So, again, it's only been a few hours. Less than 2 hours pa nga diba? So, we have a lot of things to look forward dito sa strings na to. And, of course, durability, we will test it. Gaano katagal siya magla-last for me, no? Personally, you know? I average 3 to 6 months ng mga strings. So, may kita natin, no? But yan, nandun siya sa bright sounding type, no? Kind of reminds me of Larsen Auroras. Maybe yun yung direct competitor niya, no? Around that price range, no? Sound quality, a little bit on the metallic side, no? Tingnan natin pag nag-settle down pa siya kung ano pa yung may offer na. But you know, you can really feel na hindi siya metal yung core. So, nararamdaman mo pa rin yung when you use synthetic core strings kasi there's this feeling of depth of sound pa. It has a deeper quality of sound. I don't know if you've experienced that. You know, dito yung gut feel mo pag nag-play ka talagang nararamdaman mo siya dito. So, I like it na ganun siya, no? Pero yun nga, one of the things na just being nitpicky siguro. Pero it's hard on the hand. And yun nga, hindi siya super smooth. But that's, you know, just being nitpicky nga. No? Powerful din yung projection niya, which is good for its price point, no? I think it's a good idea to try it, no? Kasi at this price range, marami na silang naglalaban-laban. And it's good for the market, especially for a lot of, you know, hobbyists and intermediate players, no? Even professionals that are looking for strings na hindi sila super magsa-stand out, no? If you're an orchestra musician, for example, ayaw mo naman ng soloist level strings palagi yung ginagamit, no? You wanna blend in with the orchestra as well. So, this is a nice set of strings, no? So, I think bagay talaga siya sa mga students, no? I think that is the target market. This is a quality student strings, no? Kasi nga, pang young talent daw Sana may age, no? Nilagay nila kung para kanina. Pero yan, at its price point, it's a good idea to try it out for yourself, no? To test out kung magiging maganda ba siya for you. So, yun, ganito yung sound niya for now. A few hours broken in. So, I think responsiveness, you know, it's light. Konting ano mo lang sumusunod din siya, which is, you know, a quality. A lot of strings that are cheaper don't have yung responsiveness sa bow. And yun, yung tonal stability niya, malalaman natin pag tumagal-tagal pa. But overall, I recommend you try it out. based on this, yeah, for its price then, no, hindi ganun kasakit sa bulsa. So you can try it out, see it for yourself, patesting nyo since it's a new product. I'm not sure kung saan pa available, pero as I've said, I got it from Shanyun. Ayan, so ito yung packaging niya. And yun, color blue nga pala. And then, ito yung color sa peg box. Yan. G is purple. D is black. A is brown or copper, gold, bronze, and then E is green. Yan. So, happy naman ako sa new set. Siyempre, natagal din yung serbisyo ng ating Rastro Violino. But trying this out, hopefully maging maganda yung maging performance niya in the coming events that I'll be playing and performing with this set of strings. And this is just, of course, a first impressions review. We'll do a full review once everything settles. And siguro pag nasira na siya para makita talaga natin yung pagkakaiba nila or yung difference and the overall quality of the strings. Ayan. So if you wanna try it out, check out sa Shanyun. Ayan. Yargar Strings Young Talent. And I'll see you on the next one.